SCR trains are getting smaller, but why? The Class 165 and 166, Class 68 is here to answer.
The Morning at
Morganstown.
Hello, good morning everyone. It may be night, afternoon, or evening in your time zone, but it's morning here, yes. I will be honest, I actually record this in it's 9 p.m. right now, but I actually set this video to upload at the morning of tomorrow in my country, the time zone. But anyways, today's topic is about why SCR trains are getting smaller after they merged, like the Class 165, 166, or the Class 68. But the Class 68 after the merge, they don't get smaller. They just getting on the position where it has been before. But about the Class 365, it got shrunk, even though it was never in the game before until the update of 1.10.12. But then, yeah, it shrunk and it's smaller than other trains that were in the game before. But SCR scaling is, well, they're getting smaller.